So this is where all your plates go, also known as the weights. And this is the handle on the leg press machine. This is what you'll be using to set the machine on and off and control the movement. And this is where your butt goes. And this is where your lower back goes, okay? So you'll be seated or more in a reclining position. So all of this black area is for your feet. This is where your feet will go. Now let's talk about the correct form of doing a basic leg press. Okay, you want to make sure that your lower back is attached to the seat. Okay, you want to make sure that your lower back and your butt is attached to the seat. Your legs are straight, pointed, okay, and your knees are about the width of your shoulder. You want to make sure that your shoulders and knees are aligned, okay? So this is the basic leg press, but depending on whichever muscle you're targeting, the positioning of your feet and the direction of your knees will change from time to time, okay? Now let's talk about safety, the safety lock, how to unlock and lock the leg press machine. To unlock the leg press machine, first of all, you want to push the weight up, and once your legs are straight, you grab onto the handle, turn it inwards, and then start doing the normal leg press movement up and down, depending on whichever muscle you're working at. And to lock this machine, once again, you want to push, making sure that your feet are straight, and turn the handle outwards, and then squat back and leave the machine. Now to target the inner thigh muscles as well as a little bit of quadriceps and a lot of adductors, you want to go lower and wider, okay? The feet are lower and wider. Your feet are positioned outwards and your knees are also going a little bit wider than the shoulder width, okay? So that will be your positioning for this. It's just an equivalent of sumo squats, okay? Except this machine enables you to go even deeper and as wide as you can. Also, the machines are different, so if you experience any problem with your machine, maybe you can take a screenshot and send it to me so I can find the same machine and show you exactly how to use whichever leg press is at your gym, okay? Also, you want to go slow and steady, to really feel the effect. And I advise starting without any weights. Remember to lock safely, okay? And now to hit the quadriceps. This mostly targets a lot of quadriceps. Once again, maintain feet on the lower position, the lower part of the black area of the foot area. Your feet are lower and a little bit narrow, not wider. Also, your toes are pointed straight, okay? And your knees and shoulders are aligned, okay? So your knees are coming towards your shoulder. And maybe you can allow for a little bit of opening just to allow for this machine to help you achieve whatever depth is needed for this version of squat, okay? So this is the same squat from a different angle. This is more aerial, not super aerial, but you can see it from above, okay? Once again, remember to go slow and steady, okay? Hold onto the handles, never let go of the handles while you're still in action. Once you've unlocked it, hold it in the same position, and once you're done, lock it, okay? Now, to target a lot of glutes and just a little bit of hamstring, your legs are gonna go higher, okay? Your legs are gonna go higher. Once again, you're still going to maintain a narrow position, fairly narrow position. And once again, your knees are aligned with your shoulders, and you wanna make sure that your knees are going slightly out, okay? Your knee positioning is slightly out. Your feet are just slightly out or facing or just simply straight, okay? So your feet are either straight or just slightly facing, slightly positioned outwards. This is the same leg press movement targeting the glutes from a different angle. Okay, now you want to keep repeating the same movement, and once you're comfortable doing this, then maybe you can introduce weights. Maybe you can start with 10 kgs, and who knows, maybe very soon you'll be able to do a leg press of 100 kgs. Let me know if this was helpful.